Now we're going to go back to example 2. We're going to focus on least common multiple. Before we get into least common multiple, we have to understand the difference between a multiple and a factor. A factor is a number that's multiplied by another factor to get a product. A multiple is the product when you take a factor times another factor. So now we're looking for products here. The cool thing about least common multiple, I'm only going to show you one method to find the least common multiple. That method is listing all the multiples. So we're going to list the multiples of 12 and the multiples of 18 in order to find the least common multiple. Now this first sentence says write the first 10 multiples of 12. We're going to save ourselves time. We're going to write just the first 6 multiples of 12. When listing multiples of 12, we're going to say, all right, the first number will be 12 times 1, which is 12. 12 times 2. 12 times 3. 12 times 4. 12 times 5. And 12 times 6. We're then going to list out the first 6 multiples of 18. 18 times 1 is 18. And then this is an opportunity to use a calculator because I understand that you don't probably know your factor or your facts of 18. So 18 times 2 is 36. 18 times 3 is 54. 18 times 4 is 72. 18 times 5 is 90. And 18 times 6 is 108. After you make your list of multiples, you're going to focus on the multiples that are common. Looking at the ones that are common, I see 36 is common, 72 is common, and if I made my list longer, I probably would notice that there are even more common. Then I want to say what is the least of those common factors. Tell us to put a rectangle around it. 36 is the smaller of the common ones. So that tells us that the least common multiple of 12 and 18 is 36.